Are you tired of watching your garden struggle as the summer heat lingers? Or maybe you're wondering if it's too late to get anything growing in September? Well, get ready to be surprised because the best time to plant for a thriving Zone 10 garden— Hey, gardening friends! September might seem like the tail end of the planting season, but in Zone 10, it's actually the perfect time to get your garden booming. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I've got the scoop on what you should be planting this month to keep your garden lush and productive. Cool season veggies. First up, let's talk veggies. September is the ideal time to start planting cool season crops. Think about fresh, crisp lettuce, kale, and spinach. These leafy greens love the cooler evenings that September brings. And don't forget about root veggies like carrots, beets, and radishes. They thrive in the slightly cooler temperatures and will be ready to harvest just in time for those cozy fall meals. Herbs that love fall. Next, let's spice things up with herbs. September is fantastic for planting herbs like cilantro, parsley, and dill. These herbs actually prefer the cooler weather and will grow like crazy with just a little TLC. Imagine having fresh herbs right from your garden to add to your fall dishes. Delicious, right? 3 flowers for fall color. Now, let's not forget about flowers. If you want to add some vibrant color to your garden this fall, plant some marigolds, pansies, or snapdragons. These flowers not only bring a burst of color, but also attract beneficial insects that will help keep your garden healthy and thriving. Perennials to plant now. Perennials are the gift that keeps on giving, and September is a great time to plant them. Think about adding some lavender, sage, or echinacea to your garden. These plants will settle in nicely during the cooler months and reward you with beautiful blooms year after year. Plus, they'll give your garden a head start next spring. Keep your garden thriving. So, whether you're planting for fresh veggies, fragrant herbs, or a garden bursting with color, September in Zone 10 is full of possibilities. Don't let the calendar fool you. This is your moment to get growing. By planting now, you're setting yourself up for a thriving garden that will keep producing right into the cooler months. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you're planting this September, and happy gardening.